What's up, y'all? It's trade recap for June 10th. So going into the morning, I noticed that we had this micro CRT inside of this macro CRT. So once I noticed that this 4-hour 2 a.m. candle had taken out the low of the micro CRT and closing inside, I dropped down to my 5 minutes going into the morning to find my turtle soup, which was this right here. Because as you can see on ES, this low had not been taken by this down close order block. So once I noticed that this order block had taken the low on NQ but did it on ES, that was our turtle soup. So I marked out my order block, and once I noticed that the 15-minute had closed above, confirming the order block, that's when I was positive and going long. So I waited for the retracement. As you can see, we closed above this order block, retraced back into it. That's when I got my entry and then have my target at this high right here. And as you can see, price kind of, was messing around for a little bit, and then we finally broke out of it to go to my TP. So yeah, that was the breakdown for today. Let me know if y'all have any questions.